Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Merit S5. Guys, today we learn how can we change DBS air condition temperature. We have 3000 watt DBS air condition. This air condition have two type of input. One is 220 voltage. This is AC voltage, and second 48 voltage DC voltage. We connect with one battery and AC voltage. This input AC voltage for only compressor working. Okay, and second DC voltage 48 voltage is all other components, internal fan, external fans. If we don't have AC voltage 220, our compressor will not working. So we need both this one, DC voltage and AC voltage. Now we need to change compressor temperature. How can we change compressor? We will press M. You can see M. Long press, go to P2. P2 is compressor temperature setting. Then press S. This is 40. We will decrease 39, 38. Now you can see we can change only just 38, but we need 20, 25 degree voltage. So how can we change? We will go back M, long press P2, we go P97, P97, okay, press S. This is reset. Press S. S mean it's our enter button. Press. We will take password. This password is our password 6587. 6, sorry, 6. Then press S. Now 5. Press S. 8. S and 7. 6, 5. Our system is reset. Enter endpoint. When endpoint, it's mean our this 3000 watt DBS it's reset. Now we go 92, 100, P1, P2. Press enter. Now we will try. It will change. No, it's not change. Again we will do. Guys, now we go to P11. P11 S. We need to set this one 34, 32, 30, 25, 26, 25. We will set this one. This password is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Enter and now we go P2. I will show you this descriptions. P1, what is P1, what is P2 and P3. Now we change. Now you can see it. We can change this one. 29. If you need more than 29, then go to P11 and change parameters, then you can set. And if you like this video, please like my channel, subscribe and like. Thank you so much.